नमस्कार मु आपको प्रभास स्वागत करुच्ची आज कार्यक्रम को आज्ञा हाँ मुझे पहुँची जाइए भुवनेश्वर स्थित जयदेव भवन में जोठिकी पेट्रोल एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय भारत सरकार द्वारा सक्षम कार्यक्रम अनुष्ठित होती तेज आसतु आउ डे करेंगे आपण मानक निश्चित भाव में ए कार्य संपर्क में जनइबी तेज आसतु।
Honorable Guest of Honor, Dr. Sangeeta Goswami, esteemed delegates in the dais, Namaskar and a very warm welcome to everyone. Now before we move on to the official proceedings of the day of the program and hear from our distinguished members of the dais, I am here to make a small briefing on Saksham 2026 campaign that we ran for almost 15 days. Like each year, this year also Saksham campaign occurred for 15 days. We started from 1st of February and now today we are at the validity function of the Saksham 2026. Ironically, the inauguration program occurred in the same venue as the validity function here in the Jaydev Bhavan. During the 15 days of campaign, we together, the oil industries, we together Indian Oil, HPCL, GAIL and BPCL jointly celebrated and organized many awareness campaigns throughout the state. Some notable activities during the period is we started with an EV rally which signified this year's Saksham campaign 2026 that go green message and save oil and gas. The EV rally started from this very venue on 2nd of February. Then we moved on towards activities like cyclothon, walkathon in various cities across the state like Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Puri, Paradip, Bhadra, Sambalpur, Raurkela between 8th February to 14th February. Then there was a CNG rally, auto rally also conducted on 14th of February. During this campaign, one of the key focus was to engage with the school students because we know children are the future of the nation. So all industries again together organize various competitions like debates, SRIT competitions and painting competitions. We also had an inter-school painting competition where 20 schools across the state participated in this event. The winners of the competitions in both senior and junior categories are here today among us and they are being felicitated by our guests today. And there were other activities like technical seminar industries, fleet meet, transporter meet, driver training, mechanic training on improving fuel efficiency. Apart from these, we had also LPG safety program, LPG panchayat, PND safety programs, QC check campaign and retail outlets in our societies as well. So in summary, a large varieties of activities were organized to further in this year's instruction message, conserve oil and gas and go green. So this campaign is kind of like our planet's new diet plan. You might call it as a diet plan of the planet. From our personal experience, from my personal experience, it is very hard to maintain the diet forever. We start with a bang, we work hard to maintain diet, but gradually we lose track. But that's not what our planet needs. What it needs is sustained effort. With this thought, I now welcome our CGM and stated Sri Kamal Singh sir for the welcome address. Thank you, sir.
Honorable guest of honor and Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Dr. Sangeeta Gosai ji, all industry colleagues on the dais, Sri C.R. Vijay Kumar, ED, Retail East Central Zone HPCL, Sri Madak Mukherjee, State Head, Retail Cell, EPCL, Sri PSV Subbarao ji, CGM, O&M and OIC Gates. Members from oil industry, boys and girls from various schools and colleges. First, I would like to convey my thanks to Dr. Sangeeta Gosai for accepting the invitation to be our guest of honor for today's function despite her busy schedule. On behalf of Oil Industry Odisha, I welcome you all to the inaugural function of Oil and Gas Conservation Awareness Drive 2026, which is named as Saksham 2026 and commenced from 1st February 2026 and its valedictory function. Of course, the message which we have spread through this campaign for last 15 days will continue to be there on sustained basis through our lovely children who are all present here. They will carry this message throughout the year till we meet again next year. The tagline of this year's Saksham campaign is Save Oil and Conservation, Go Green. If you look at economic outlook of India, it is projected to grow tenfold in size to over $30 trillion economy by 2047. Viksit Bharat. Per capita income to rise from $2,700 to $20,000 by 2047. Potential annual GDP growth rate of 6 to 7% consistently for years to come in our country. Such a fast-growing economy needs energy, and India now stands third in the world in energy consumption, with demand reaching record levels driven by rapid urbanization, manufacturing and industrial growth. IEA, which is a World Economic Survey study report, which shows that Outlook 2025 projects India's energy demand will grow by roughly 3% till 2035, making India number one with respect to energy demand growth rate annually. India's energy demand to grow to 1700 million tons of oil equivalent by 2050, which is currently at 824 million tons of oil equivalent in 2022. India's share of global energy demand to be doubled by 13% by 2050, which is currently at 7% in 2022. So prosperity and higher living standards are driving energy demand in India. But amidst all the positive development and optimism, one notable concern remains, which is heavy dependency of crude oil. Import to meet the energy requirement of India. India imports over 85% of crude oil, with dependency reaching around 89% in early 2025. Imports reached 242 million tons in the financial year ending March 2025. The earnest efforts for petroleum conservation can help us to reduce the huge import burden. Every drop of oil saved will contribute to saving of foreign exchange. We also need to address the issue of climate change. Today, as we stand at a critical juncture in our planet's history, the urgent need to transition towards a cleaner environment through the embrace of green and clean energy is more pressing than ever. The consequences of our land on fossil fuels are stark: rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and deteriorating air quality. Oil is threatening not only our ecosystem but our very way of life. India has formally declared its commitment to reduce its emission intensity by 45% by 2030, with a long-term goal of reaching net zero emissions by 2070. Indian Oil has committed to achieving net zero operational emissions, Scope 1 and Scope 2, by 2046. Aligning with India's 2070 target, so is HPCL and BPCL by 2040. In this era of newer and greener fuels, energy efficiency and reducing waste are big parts in combating climate change and reaching net zero goals. Energy efficiency represents more than 40% of the emissions abatement needed by 2040. According to the IEA Sustainable Development Scenario, therefore, it is imperative that public are made aware of efficient and optimum use of conventional fuels, as long as it is used to support the cause of net zero goals. Thus, public awareness drives like Saksham plays a vital role in the current scenario. I wish Saksham 2026 campaign will play a critical role in shaping the perception of public towards energy conservation and create awareness among masses on the importance of efficiency use of energy for a brighter future ahead. Thank you.
Please request ED Retail Central Zone HPCL, Shri C.R. Vijay Kumarji to give us address, please. And please welcome the with a round of applause everyone.
Respected our guest of honor, Dr. Sangeeta Gosai Madam, our SLC and Fusion State Head, Sri Commercial, Sri Mayna Gopatji, State Head IOCL, and Sri Uttar Kamakji from GAIL, and all distinguished guests, dignitaries, and colleagues from oil companies, and students, and all the other participants. Very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure and privilege to be part of this valedictory function of Saksham. So at the outset, I extend my sincere appreciation to the organizers, partners, and the participants whose enthusiasm and commitment have made this campaign a great success. Saksham, you all know, it is a Samrakshan Shamata Mahotsav. We call it as Saksham, means capable. It's a very powerful and meaningful name. It reflects our capability and responsibility to conserve energy, protect our environment, and secure the future for our generations to come. This initiative is not just saving fuel, it is about creating awareness, building responsible habits, and inspiring a collective movement towards sustainability. Today, energy is the backbone of economic growth and national development. Every sector, industry, agriculture, transport, and households depends on energy. At the same time, we must recognize that natural resources are very, very limited. The choices we make today will determine the quality of life for our future generations. India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world has a significant responsibility. While our energy demand is growing rapidly, we must ensure that our growth is sustainable, efficient, and environmentally responsible. Energy conservation is the simplest, most effective, and most economical way to bridge the gap between demand and supply. I am very happy to see that active participation of students and young minds. You are the future leaders, innovators, and decision makers of this great country. When you adopt energy efficient practices, you not only contribute personally but also influences your families, communities, and societies. Small actions such as switching off unused lights, using public transport, avoiding fuel wastage, and adopting energy efficient technologies can make a significant difference when practiced collectively. Energy conservation is not just about sacrifice, it is about smart choice. It is about using energy efficiently without compromising our needs or progress. Conservation improves efficiency, reduces the cost, protects the environment, and strengthens our nation's energy security. Each one of us are having very important role to play. Governments can only create policies, organizations like us only can implement the technologies. But the true success comes when every individual adopts conservation as a way of life. When millions of citizens can take small steps, the impact becomes transformational. Saksham has once again reminded us that awareness leads to action and then action leads to change. The success of the campaign is not lying just on the events conducted, but in the lasting impact it creates in our thoughts and behavior. As we are concluding this campaign, let us remember that this is not an end, but a continuation of our journey. Let us carry forward the spirit of Saksham in our daily lives. Let us pledge to be responsible citizens of this country and conscious consumers of the energy. Together with awareness, commitment and collective action, we can build a greener, cleaner and more sustainable future of our nation. I would like to conclude with one thought on Saksham. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, but we borrow it from our children. Let us honor this responsibility. Let us conserve our energy. Let us protect our environment. Let us build a sustainable and secure future for our generations to come. Let the spirit of Saksham live in our actions every single day. Thank you.
Now, we know that we all have been waiting here for someone really special who has come, joined our event as a guest of honor today. Distinguished Odissi music vocalist, scholar and educationist known for her expertise in Odissi and Hindustani music, top grade artist in All India Radio, Sangeeta Natak Academy Awardee. Let's welcome here Dr. Sangeeta Desai as guest of honor for our speech.
Namaskar. Thank you so much for inviting me to this very, very thoughtful occasion in the valedictory function, for which I will thank your Petroleum and Prakrutika Gas Mantranalaya, our petroleum industry. So you have heard about everything what this ministry is doing and what you all are doing under the aegis of that. So I will not go to that because I know, and each of us know, that petrol and gas, all these things, they run our life now. If they are not properly, we don't conserve them, so life will come to a standstill. So this is such a good state which this all the authorities who are sitting here and they are just executing all this message to the children, because of all the adult mass know this. But if we inculcate this spirit inside the children, so that they will take this more with more subtlety and the sustainable, and it will become more sustainable because they understand. ପିଲାମାନେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କଥା ହେଉଛ ପଛରେ ନା, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଥର ମୋତେ କୁହ ମେସେଜଟା ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କୁହ, କାହିଁକିନା 15 ଦିନ ତମକୁ ଶିଖା ହେଇଛି କ'ଣ ମେସେଜ, ଆଗ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବ ତାପରେ ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ କହିବ। 1 2 3 4 ଇଂଲିଶରେ କୁହ କୁହ। ଏତେ ଦିନ 15 ଦିନ ତମେ ଶିଖିଲ ନା, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ତ ମତେ? ହଁ ନା ନାହିଁ? ୟେସ୍ କୁହ। ହଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ କୁହ। ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍। ତା ମାନେ ବୁଝୁଛ ବଢିଆ କି ନା? ଗଛ ଟିକେ ଲଗାଉଛ ତ ଘରେ? ଦେଖ ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି ଆଜି ଗଛ ଦିଆହେଇଛି, ତମମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଡିବେଟ୍ କମ୍ପିଟିସନ କରାହେଇଛି। କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ? ଖାଲି ଘୋଷି ଦେଇ କହିବାକୁ ନୁହେଁ, ତମେ ସେଇଟା ଅନୁଭବ କଲେ ପ୍ରକୃତ ଜୀବନରେ ତମେ ସେଇଟା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକାରୀ କରି ନିଜେ କରି ଅନ୍ୟକୁ ଶିଖେଇ ପାରିବ। ଠିକ୍ ନା ନାହିଁ? ଏବେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ବଢ଼ିଆ କିନା ଠିଆ ହେଇକି ପିଲାମାନେ କାଲି ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ କହିଦିଅ, ସେଇଟା ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ସ୍ଲୋଗାନଟି। ଜୋରସେ କୁହ, ଏତେ ଜଣ ପିଲା ହଉଛ, କୁହ କୁହ ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ। तेल और गैस बचाओ, हरित ऊर्जा अपनाओ। बुझिल तो? थैंक यू वेरी मच। और तमे मैंने निजे करके अन्य को करेबो, ये जो सक्षम बस, थैंक यू, जो सक्षम ता माने कोन? आई कैन, वी कैन। हमें भाबिबेनी जे ही इज नॉट डूइंग, व्हाई शुड आई डू, किंतु मु कले तार इच्छा हो मु करिबी बोली, दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अस एंड दिस इज going to make our life better and sustainable. So I request all of you to really understand that this is not done superficially. This is to inculcate the message, the real meaning of that, and which you can execute in your life and make others do like that. ଆଉ ଏତେ ଯେଉଁ ଆମର ଏତିକି ଜାଣିଥିବା ଯେମିତି ପାଣି ଆମର ଜୀବନ, ସେମିତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଧୁନିକ ଯୁଗରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେତେ ଗ୍ୟାଜେଟ୍ସ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛେ, ଘରୁ ଆସିବାକୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ପ୍ରାୟ ଗାଡ଼ିରେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି। ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ଏସବୁ ନ ଖାଇବା, ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ନହେଲେ ହେବନି। ତେଣୁ ଆମମାନଙ୍କର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ, ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆୱାର ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି, ନଟ୍ ଦ କମ୍ପାନିଜ୍ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି। ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲି ଏଇ ଦିଗରେ କାମ କରିବା। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଭେରି ମଚ୍। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା କରୁଛେ, ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ କ'ଣ କଲେ? ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କୁ ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରଦୀପ ଜଳେଇଲେ। କାହିଁକି? ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ, ଆମର ଆସ୍ଥା, ସେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ, ଯାହାକୁ ବି ତମେ ଭଲ ପାଅ ସେଇ ଠାକୁର ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ପ୍ରଦୀପ ଦେଇ ଆମେ ଆମର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଟା ସଫଳ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରୁଛେ। ତା ଭିତରେ ରହିଛି ହମ୍ବଲନେସ୍, ତା ଭିତରେ ରହିଛି ନମ୍ରତା। ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟି ନ ରହିଲେ ଆଉ କେବେ ବି କୌଣସି କାମରେ ତମେ ସଫଳ ହେଇପାରିବନି। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି? ତେଣୁ ତମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସକାଳୁ ଉଠିଲେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଗପ କରୁଛ, केते समय बसछ घंटे 1.5 घंटा मात्र गोटे मीटिंग रे बसिबो कि 2 घंटा सेतिरे एमिति विशेष करी पिला माने तो श्रृंखला दे नहेले जीवन रे किछि करिबो एई छोट जिंस मध्य कर पारिबो तेणु श्रृंखलित हो आ हबो बेले जेतोले बड़ हबो सेतोले भाबिबो जहाँ यही कथा गुड़िक आम शुणी बोली आम जीवन में आम कि निश्चित भाव में सब निजर कान और आखि खोला रख भल जिनटी को ग्रहण कर प्रतिदिन सकाଳେ उठिले बिछना छाड़ा आगु ठाकुर को निश्चित भाव मुंडिया मार से कथाटी तुम मानक कहवाई जो कथा कथार कही हुए कवितार आ गीत से कही तेणु 2 लाइन तुम मानक गाँच बसी बिछड़ारू जुहार करुछि तुमको हे महाबाहु तुम करुणारू आजी दिनटी मो भलरे भलरे जाऊ भलरे भलरे जाऊ तुमी महाप्रभु सर्वमंगल तुम कृपा मोर शुभ सकाळ पठुआ मुहारू पहिली नजर तुम छवि देखुथाऊ तुम करुणारू आजी दिनटी मो भलरे भलरे जाऊ भलरे भलरे जाऊ भलरे भलरे जाऊ निज प्रार्थना करने समस्त प्रार्थना करवा और जो काम करवा केवल से ही काम फोकस करें। थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैडम आप जो सुंदर कविता रूप आशीर्वाद समस्त देते दिनटी आम समस्त भलरे भलरे एवं तो निहाती जीव बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वर्ड्स फुल ऑफ केयर लव लॉट्स ऑफ सजेशन थैंक यू फॉर अवेयरिंग अस अबाउट आवर रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज एंड ड्यूटीज थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर मैम नाउ may I please request State Head Retail BPCL Shri Mahendra Mukherjee sir for a speech followed by his suction speech. Can we have a round of applause, guys?
जय जगन्नाथ सुप्रभात ये आज के पिला को अच्छी सेगुड़ा से लास्ट 15 डेज फर्स्ट इनॉग्रेशन भी थिला ने अन्य स्कूल अछि अन्य स्कूल तो रिपीट होबनी हां ठीक अछि anyway I move बेसी टाइम लेबी on this topic madam has already spoken wonderfully she has given the entire in a short speech he gave the entire thing what our industry is wanting to do so without further ado we have been spending last 15 days in this Sanrakshan Mahotsav now to carry forward because that was the actual purpose after 15 days you will carry it forward for the next 1 year in your daily lives all the ways of conserving oil. Why oil conservation is required? My speakers before me have already briefed you on that and we are all aware. So I will straight go into the pledge because without a promise there is no further way ahead. So we have done this Mahotsav for 15 days. Now it is the time has come for us to take a pledge that we will take this moving forward. So I will request everybody to stand up on their seats and raise their right hand. And first we will have in Hindi and then followed by English. तो हम हिंदी में शुरू करते हैं हमारे संरक्षण क्षमता महोत्सव का प्रतिज्ञा। तो मेरे साथ साथ बोलिएगा हम सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि अपने सभी कार्यों में पेट्रोलियम उत्पादों के संरक्षण हेतु सतत प्रयासरत रहेंगे ताकि देश की प्रगति के लिए आवश्यक इन सीमित संसाधनों की आपूर्ति अधिक समय तक संभव हो। आदर्श नागरिक होने के नाते हम पेट्रोलियम पदार्थों के वैध उपयोग को रोकने के लिए जागरूक करेंगे ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए एक बेहतर वातावरण सुनिश्चित कर एक नए व स्वस्थ भारत का निर्माण कर सके। Now I repeat the pledge in English and I request you all to follow after me. Repeat the words after me. We do solemnly pledge that we shall be continuously striving to conserve petroleum products in all spheres of our activities so that supplies of these scarce resources last longer for the progress of our country. The progress of our country. We will shoulder the responsibility of a good citizen and endeavor to create awareness among the masses to avoid wasteful use of petroleum products so as to build a new and healthy India for our future generations by ensuring a better environment. Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, sir. It was wonderful and everybody could hear every word and it has touched every heart. Isn't it? So the responsibility starts from now, from today. The 15 days journey ends today, but the real journey starts from you all. Starts from now. आज को हम प्रकृति का कार्य आरंभ वाला प्रकृति का responsibility आरंभ वाला. And with your permission, there are few winners for competitions. So with your permission, can we start with the prize distribution? Okay. So we have got painting competition in junior group and senior group. We will start with the junior group. And be ready, we have got 3 winners from each category, from each group. Keep it on the board now. Thank you very much. Thank you so much that you actually were present here and you said a lot of beautiful things to the kids. Not only you thought of saying something very professional, but at the same time very emotional and something that could touch, that could change, bring change in them in their heart. So thank you for doing it. Thank you for joining us. I would like to show our gratitude, our token of appreciation to Kamal sir. I would like to request you to do the honor of giving the memento to Madam for her presence here, for her presence here. Can we have the memento, please? To do the honor of giving the memento to our guest of honor, Dr. Sangeeta Desai. This is the token now.
On behalf of Team Sector, first of all, I would like to honorable guest of honor, Dr. Sangeeta Desai, Academy Award winner, Purushar. First of all, I would like to convey our sincere gratitude to Sangeeta Madam for her inspiring words. So I think that's only 50% of the Odia speech, but I could understand the essence. And thanks, Madam, for handling the message and motivating the end. Actually, Team Saksam is only for 50 days, but the motto has to carry forward the entire district, and kids are the best media for that. Thank you, madam, for your wonderful speech and wonderful song. Now I would like to thank to SLC Kamal Singh sir, Regional State and Agency, and Vijay Kumar sir, ED, Retail Experience. Thank for that, giving that guideline for the guideline of carbon neutral of India and company of ISL and HPCL. Madam, I would like to convey that they is also doing their part for that carbon neutral, and our targets are 2035. We are advanced our targets of 2040 to 2035. We are this is we are having the CNG station, and we are implementing many also we are national that and with this successful we are trying to lot of business all across our country and skills all across our country. I would like to convey our gratitude to Mr. Maina, Mr. Shah, State and our citizens, each and every. So we all the petroleum companies are doing their part in reducing reduction and avoidance of the carbon by installing CBG plants, PNG plants, and PNG, CGD, and all over India. Next, I would like to convey our gratitude to kids from Utkal Mani Shishu Mandir, Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra, and Saraswati Shishu Mandir of Bhubaneswar. I could see the motivation, I could see the performance of the kids over here. I was very impressed. So I would like to request all the kids to carry forward the momentum to have a better environment for the future generations to come. Madam, in the course of the event, conveyed that the competitions were done in the schools by Bhubaneswar and all, but they and other companies had done all over Odisha in a number of schools, and we were conveyed awareness. So we hope that this will carry forward for a better environment and better India. Thanks, Malangal. Thanks again. Thanks again.
आजिकार अध्यायटी आपको केमी लगे निश्चित भाव में कमेंट बक्स जनइबे जब आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना तो निश्चित सब्सक्राइब कर पाखे बेल आइकन को निश्चित भाव में दबाई दिंतु जहाँफल कि स्थान घटना व्यक्ति विशेष और कार्यक्रम संपर्क में आपने खूब कम समय जानीपारे तेज आज ये रोचे प्रभास नमस्कार।